Today's word is salubrious. It is an adjective. It means something that is healthy and good for you, describing a place or condition that is pleasant, clean, and promotes good health. Similar words include healthy, wholesome, beneficial. The fresh mountain air was very salubrious. Eating fruits and vegetables is a salubrious habit. They moved to the countryside to enjoy a more salubrious lifestyle.
Why do you like hiking in the woods so much?
I love the clean air. It feels so salubrious and makes me feel energized.
Emma uses the word to explain that the fresh air is good for her health and makes her feel better. Think of salubrious as a fancy way to say good for your health. It is often used to describe clean environments like parks or beaches. Can you think of a place you visit that feels salubrious?